Hi everyone, it's Cara. It's time for our Monday recipe, Monday meal. And today we are doing a melt in your mouth chicken recipe that I got off of a Facebook group. It was literally just a photo off of this crock pot group that I'm in. So I don't know who it came from, but I'll put the photo in the video so that you can have the recipe. But here is what it is. So you need a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. So I grated the rest of this Life Parmesan cheese. Then you need a full cup of mayonnaise. So since I'm allergic to soy and eggs, we are using soy-free veganese, which I only had like a cup and a half, or 3/4 of a cup basically of. So I needed another 1/4 of a cup from the new Hellmann's vegan dressing and spread. So Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise. So it's also gluten-free and soy-free and dairy-free, etc. So I use that to make up the difference. And then you use a full teaspoon of garlic powder, which you know I enjoy, a teaspoon and a half of seasoned salt, and then half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then you mix it all together and spread it over the chicken breasts. These are organic chicken breasts from Kroger. So I'm going to put them in the oven. You put it in a 375 degree oven for 45 minutes. And then I will show you what they look like when finished. All right, everyone, this is the finished chicken, melt in your mouth chicken. As you can see, I've cut into it and it's done. So 375, 45 minutes. It smells delicious, and we're gonna have it over some quinoa and broccoli. Have a great Monday. Bye.